Now I'm doing too much. I'm just doing too much right now. At this point, I'm just doing too much. Okay, I kind of apply a little bit too much. Fullest. This is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So in today's video, I'm going to do a review on these two products. This is the Max Factor Miracle Pure Vegan Blush, and I pick up two shades. I pick up the Vintage Peony. I'll put a name on the screen in case I mispronounce it. And this is the next one is the Blooming Berry. I'll also put the name on the screen in case I mispronounce it. I pick up this blush at the Bol.nl if you live in the Netherlands. I picked it up at Bol.nl. I was just shopping around and I saw it and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. I'm not really a blush person, so not to talk of liquid blushes. I've never really tried any liquid blushes, so this is like my first time trying out liquid blushes. And I thought, you know what, the colors kind of look really nice to me. They are not like really bright colors. I feel like these are like colors that I can use every single day if I'm doing makeup, so I decided to pick this up. So I'm here to do a quick tutorial to show you guys how I demonstrate this product, to do a review and also a testing to show you guys how it look like on my skin. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This is how I know you guys like content like this. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. All the links will be in the description box. Every single information that you need will be in the description box. I will leave the name of the product on the screen. I will also leave it in the description box. And let's jump into the tutorial. I hope you guys will enjoy it because I really love this blush. So I don't want this video to be too long. I've already done my makeup. The only thing that is remaining is to try out this blush and set my face and get the rest of my face done. So I'm going to try this one. I really love this one. This is the Bloomendal. I'll put a name on the screen. I don't have glasses on, so I can't really see it very well, and I will show you guys what this one look like on my skin. So first, let's do swatches. I pick up this blushes. Let me remove my watch because then I can get a good base. I pick up this blush at Bol.nl. This is what the shade look like very like a really soft pink. Okay, you guys can see. I feel like it has a little bit of shimmer in it, just like a really light touch of shimmery. It's really beautiful. I really love it. I've never really tried liquid blushes, so for me this is something new, and I'm not really a blush person, but I'm like, you know what, let me give it a try. So now we're going to try this one. It's the colors actually kind of look the same, not exactly, but they're kind of like similar. Okay, this one is more like I don't know sometimes how to describe colors, but this one has a little bit of purple in it, you know, and it also has some really nice shimmery shade, and I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this the Vintage, I think, no, this is the Bloomendal. I don't know, I'll put a name on the screen, but I'm gonna try that one. So I've already done my concealer, I've already done my foundation, I've already done my contour. The only thing is to just apply this blush and set my face. That's the only thing. So I've already got my blush brush. This is the Real Technique blush brush. It's been such a while since I came here and do a makeup tutorial, so I'm going to take this blush. What I've learned, I've also come across a couple of videos on TikTok and how to apply liquid blushes. You apply it a little bit higher because you do not want the blush to be on the center of your face. With makeup, we learn every single day, so I'm going to apply it here. I'm not really a fan of blush, so let's start first with a little bit, and then I'm going in with this Real Technique this blush. Let me I wash it so it kind of feel a little bit stiffy. Okay, let me just warm this blush because I'm going to use this one. I just want to warm it on the hand, and Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. This is how the tutorial I come across said you have to apply blush. Like this on your cheek, on right above your contour. Okay, and then bring a little bit, because this one have some shimmery. This one has a little bit of shimmer. I feel like you guys can see. Let's add a little bit more. I feel like this melts into my skin like really nicely. Oh yeah, if you add more, you get more pigments. But this is so beautiful. This is really nice. I love it. Ooh. Okay, I think I've put a little bit too much. But like I said, it's just we're trying it. I'm just trying to experiment with it. I've never really tried any liquid blush, but this is beautiful. Okay, so let's go again. I kind of really like the way it looks. I really love it. So let's try this side as well. Okay, listen, now I'm doing too much. Now I think I'm doing too much, because look at how much I put. Now I'm doing too much. I'm just doing too much right now. At this point, I'm just doing too much. Lord have mercy. At this point, I think I'm just doing too much. I put too much. I applied a little bit too much this time. OMG. Like, you know what? Let's just blend it. We're going to blend it. Let's blend. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, maybe I bring a little bit too up the forehead, just a little bit too much, but this is so cute. This is really nice. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going in a little bit with my concealer, because the concealer has been on now for a little bit. I'm going in with this NYX Won't Stop concealer, and just a little bit, just to like blend everything with the blush, and to also give my under eye a little bit of color, you know, like this, like blend it. So let me just blend this side first. Oh, I love this blush. And then now I'm just going in with the concealer brush, and I'm just going to blend it a little bit upwards, and I'm like blend the concealer a little bit with the blush, just kind of immerse everything together. OMG, I love it. So now I'm going in again with that same brush I used to blend that blush. And I'm going to set everything. Oh my god, I like to bring a little bit on the cheek, just a little bit, not too much. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. So now I'm going to set. I love it. I can't wait to try this. Now I'm going to set. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty setting powder. That's what I'm going to use to set. Oh, it looks so nice. God. This is so beautiful. Just set everywhere you put concealer. I don't normally like to highlight my forehead, but just a little bit. Even though I didn't have any concealer on my forehead, let's just go in with the sponge. I just like to take the sponge and just like press the powder in. Oh, I love the blush. It's really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to take my setting powder. This is the Makeup Revelation setting powder in P15. I love this powder. Like, I love this powder. I'm just gonna use that to set my face, wipe off all this excess powder. my forehead. I also use the brush to just wipe off any excess powder on my face. Oh, this is so beautiful. So now I'm going to like do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back to show you guys what everything looked like. So this is the finished look. I didn't add any blush. I wanted to add a bit of a powder blush on top of it, but I was like, no, I really wanted to see how this blush would look like on my skin without adding any blush on top. And I also don't have any other mass factor blushes, so I didn't feel like it was necessary to add another blush from another brand, because then you will not see how the liquid blush look on my skin. So this is what the blush look like. It's really beautiful. You can really see it. For someone like me who doesn't, okay, I kind of apply a little bit too much so you can see that. But which of course I really like it, you know. Maybe next time I'll go a little bit lighter with the hand, but this time I really love the way it looks, and I just love it overall with the makeup. You guys know I always like that simple natural makeup look. The eyeshadows is very simple. It's just a brown eyeshadow. And yeah, I really like it. I really do like it. I can't wait to try the other one on my skin to see how it looks. Maybe I might also come back and do a quick tutorial to show you guys how the other blush look like. But so far, I love this. It's not like super bright. It's not like it's not super bright. It's just perfect for my skin tone. For someone like me who doesn't like to wear a lot of blushes, I feel like this is just perfect. You can see that I have blush, but it's not out there like this. Just that this time I kind of add a little bit too much, and so of course it's a bit too much for me, for my liking, but it's okay. I'm wearing wig, so the wig can cover this side. That's the reason why I went and comb out the wig, so I can cover a little bit of this side. But it's okay. It's my first time, so next time I'll go a little bit lighter with the blush. But so far I really love it, and let me know what you guys think in the comment box. But yeah, Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.